My name is Prachi Pratap Shinde. Today's date is 28 May 2024. Today's topic is Object-Oriented Programming Language. OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming Language. The main aims of Object-Oriented Programming Language is to implement real-world entities. In Object-Oriented Programming Language, everything is present in the form of class and object. Advantages of Object-Oriented Programming Language is following. OOPS is the faster and easier to execute. OOPS provides clean structure for the program. OOPS make it possible to create full usable application with less code and shorter development time. Class and object are the basic concept of object-oriented programming language involves around the real-world entity. Pillars of OOPS concept is first is object, second is class, third is abstraction, fourth is encapsulation, fifth is inheritance, and sixth is polymorphism. Almost everything written in Java is object and class, making it the true object-oriented programming language. First is a class. Class is a user-defined data type that has data members and member function. Class keyword is used to declare the class. We can create multiple objects using the class. Means the collection of objects is called as the class. Class is a logical entity. A class can also be defined as a blueprint from which you can create individual objects. Class doesn't consume any space. For example, student, vehicles, and ship. Class has fields, methods, and constructors. Fields is also known as variables, and method is also acts like a function. You know, Second is object. Object is a real world entity in Java. Object is a physical and logical entity. Object has state, behavior, and identity. Class is the object is the instance of class. Third pillar is inheritance. Inheritance in Java is mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent class. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit an existing class, you can reuse the methods and fields of the parent's class. Moreover, you can add the new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represents the is-a relationship, which is also known as parent-child relationship. Parents class is also known as superclass, and child class is also known as subclass. Subclass inheritance properties of the parent class. Structure types of inheritance. First is single inheritance, second multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid. In single inheritance, it inherits the properties and behavior of the single parent class, and it also known known as a single inheritance. It has two classes. First is the parent class and second is the child class. Second type is multi-level. In multi-level inheritance, a class is derived from the class which can also derived from the another class, is called as the multi-level inheritance. There are multiple parents class and a single child class. Third type is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance does not support in Java because in this there are two or more parent class and one child class. We do not extend two class at a time. Third is hierarchical inheritance. Number of classes derived from a single base class is called as a hierarchical inheritance. There are one parent class and the multiple child class. Fifth type is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is Java refers to combination of two or more types of inheritance, such as single, multiple, and hierarchical. Next is abstraction. abstraction. Abstraction is a method which is used to hide the internal process and shows functionality. We can create classes and methods using the abstract keywords. There are abstract and non-abstract methods. Abstract class can be executed using the extend keyword is used. Abstract class has class members like private and protected. Next is the polymorphism. Polymorphism is a simple language, means that one thing can take many forms. In programming, it lets use the single action in a different way of the different objects. Last is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is the one of the fundamental concept. Encapsulation in Java is the process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. That's all about the object oriented programming language. Thank you.